Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best touch control wireless earbuds. So stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Tagri X08 Touch Control Wireless Earbuds are designed for those who want a blend of convenience, durability, and high-quality sound in their daily audio experience. Packed with advanced features, they provide long-lasting performance, user-friendly controls, and a comfortable fit for extended use. Key features: dual digital LED power display. Charging case shows real-time power levels for both the earbuds and the case. Long battery life. 470 mAh case offers up to 4 full charges. Each earbud provides 6 hours of playback, totaling up to 60 hours. Flexible charging supports both wireless charging and USB-C cable charging. Water resistance, IPX5 nano coating protects against sweat and light rain, ideal for workouts and outdoor activities. One-step auto connection, Hall switch enables instant pairing when the case is opened. Touch controls, manage music, calls, volume, and voice assistance directly from the earbuds. Ergonomic design, lightweight at just 0.14 ounces each, with 3 ear tip sizes for a secure, comfortable fit. High-quality sound, 13mm speakers with triple-layer composite diaphragms deliver deep bass, clear mids, and crisp treble. Mono and stereo modes. Use earbuds individually or together for flexibility. Clear calls, built-in microphones with CVC noise reduction for better voice clarity. Pros: impressive 60-hour total playtime with charging case. Dual charging options add convenience. Clear and powerful sound with balanced bass, mids, and treble. Lightweight and comfortable fit, suitable for long wear. Instant auto pairing makes usage seamless. Touch controls reduce dependency on the phone. IPX5 water resistance makes them sports-friendly. Good call quality with noise reduction technology. Cons: no active noise cancellation, only passive isolation. Case size may feel slightly bulkier than ultra-compact models. Touch controls can sometimes be overly sensitive to accidental taps. Audio quality, while strong, may not satisfy audiophiles seeking premium-grade performance. Final thoughts: the Tagri X08 wireless earbuds are an excellent choice for everyday users who want a balance of long battery life, clear audio, water resistance, and user-friendly features. While they lack premium extras like ANC, they deliver impressive value for the price, making them a solid option for commuting, workouts, and casual listening. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.